Heat mastery system. T-fal heat mastery system is a 3-ingredient recipe for perfectly delicious cooking results every time. Superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, an anti-warping, even heat base and patented Thermo-Spot technology. Durable nonstick. Scratch-resistant and toxin-free, hard titanium-reinforced nonstick interior stands up to frequent use and allows for cooking without frustrating, wasteful, stuck-on messes. Supremely strong. Thermo-Spot indicator. The ring around the spot turns solid red to show when pans are properly preheated and ready for ingredients to be added. Preheating is key to even cooking and sealing in flavor. Comfortable handle. Ergonomically designed heat-resistant handle provide a comfortable, secure grip. End holes for optional hanging. Convenience time-saving. The signature fry pans feature pouring edges for dripless serving and draining. Measuring marks inside pots to save time and effortless. A plastic fridge lid to make storing leftovers quick and convenient. Bring style and ease to any home kitchen with T-fal signature nonstick cookware. Perfect for new and seasoned cooks alike. T-fal's Heat Mastery Titanium Nonstick, Thermo-Spot heat indicator and even heat base ensure that the cookware heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly. Signature's durable, toxin-free titanium-reinforced nonstick interior keeps food sliding smoothly across the surface for easy turning or flipping, and its nonstick exterior means no more frustrating stuck-on messes when it's time to clean up. Even more, user-friendly T-fal cookware provides foolproof preheating. Its Thermo-Spot heat indicator features a ring around the center that turns solid red to show when pans have reached a proper cooking temperature. Important step allows food to cook evenly and helps seal in the natural juices and flavor of food. For added convenience and time-saving, signature fry pans feature pouring edges for dripless serving and draining. Measuring marks inside the pots to save time and effort and a fridge lid for one of the saucepans to make storing leftovers quick and convenient. Oven safe and dishwasher safe, T-fal signature offers a wide range of pots and pans to fry, brown, sauté, steam, slow cook and more. From trademark favorites to adventurous new recipes, enjoy cooking at home with T-fal signature nonstick cookware. Top reviews from the United States. Not your grandma's nonstick pans. Nonstick pans have come a long way in the past 20 or so years. These are great. Very scratch resistant and hold good heat all the way to the edge of the bottom part too. You can just wipe out any leftover grease or residue with a paper towel and put that in the trash so you don't get grease down your sink drain. These really hold up well and work great. I have several and some I have had for years and still no scratches or really any wear or tear showing on them as much as I thought they would. T-fal is and makes a great product in my opinion.